Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to speed up a video in iMovie using your iPhone or iPad. So in order to do that, first of all open the iMovie application. Now, start up a new project by choosing one of the projects type on the bottom, or open up an existing project you would like to work on with. Make sure you import your video clip that you want to edit or speed up, and then make it appear on your timeline. I've imported this video over here. Once you do that, click on the video clip on the timeline to highlight it, and this will open up several menus on the bottom of the screen. From the menu, tap on the speed button, which looks like a speedometer at the bottom left. Soon after you tap on the button, you will be able to see a little slider on the left hand side. Drag the speed slider to the right in order to increase the speed. If you want to speed up only a portion of the clip, you can use the yellow range handles to select the desired area, then adjust the speed for that range. Remember that speeding up a video can sometimes affect in its quality. After you are done speeding up your video clip, click on the play button at the top to preview your video. And that's how you speed up a video using iMovie application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.